middle of the Alaskan wilderness, a fenced facility rises out of the snow. To most, it looks like a cluster of oversized radio towers and tangled cables. But this isn't a weather station. This is HAARP, the High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program. Officially, it studies the ionosphere, the charged layer of Earth's upper atmosphere. It fires high-frequency radio waves into the sky to observe how they behave. Unofficially, it's been accused of everything from mind control to engineered weather to earthquakes. HAARP's main device is the Ionospheric Research Instrument, a 180 antenna array that beams 3.6 megawatts of power into a point in the sky. The idea is to heat the ionosphere and study how it reacts. But conspiracy theorists, and even some scientists, say that kind of directed energy could have more targeted effects, like creating pressure systems, like interfering with the electrical fields of the human brain, and maybe even shifting tectonic plates. In 2010, just 3 days before the Haiti earthquake, strange atmospheric pulses were recorded over the region. Satellite readings showed electromagnetic anomalies. No explanation was given, but HAARP was active that week. In 2011, days before the Fukushima disaster, similar pulses were observed. Again, HAARP was running tests. Coincidence or correlation? That's the question HAARP has dodged since its inception. But the concerns go beyond weather. In 1997, U.S. Secretary of Defense William Cohen publicly stated, "Others are engaging in an eco-type of terrorism whereby they can alter the climate, set off earthquakes, volcanoes remotely through the use of electromagnetic waves." He never said who they were. A 2001 European Parliament report warned that HAARP could manipulate human behavior and called for further investigation into its psychological effects. In the early 2000s, Russian military officials accused the US of using HAARP as a weaponized geophysical tool. And then there's the mind control theory. The human brain runs on electrical frequencies. The same spectrum, roughly 1 to 108, exists in HAARP's active bandwidth. Could large-scale emissions at these frequencies interfere with brainwaves? In 2013, declassified DARPA research explored targeted cognitive influence via transcranial stimulation at a distance. One diagram labeled a proposed delivery method, geosynchronized broadcast array. In layman's terms, a HAARP-style machine. But let's step out of the speculation. Let's look at the pattern. HAARP activates, atmospheric anomalies follow, satellite data spikes, unusual clouds form, sometimes earthquakes, sometimes freak storms, and sometimes nothing at all. And maybe that's worse, because the real danger of HAARP may not be what it causes, it's what it tests, a platform to see what Earth can take, what weather can be bent, what regions can be nudged subtly until they give way. And then there's the sound. In 2012, hundreds of people across the globe reported loud, metallic groaning coming from the sky. Trumpet-like tones, rhythmic pulses, some caught on camera, others ignored. That same month, HAARP posted logs of an extended ionospheric experiment over the northern hemisphere. And what does that mean? We don't know. HAARP's research is publicly available, until it's not. Data is missing, logs deleted, interviews denied. Even now, HAARP remains active under university funding, but the same hardware remains, the same frequencies, the same potential. In the sky above us, there's a layer of plasma that connects us all. The ancient world called it the firmament. Science calls it the ionosphere. HAARP doesn't just touch it, it speaks to it, and we have no idea who's listening.